you stay, at least until the sun goes down? When you're gone, I lose faith, I lose everything I have found. Heartstrings, violence, that's what I hear when you're by my side. Ooh, yeah, that's what I hear when you're by my side. Ooh. But when you're gone, the music goes, whoa, 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 whoa. I lose my rhythm, lose my soul, whoa, 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 whoa. So hear me out before you say the night is over. I want you to know that we gotta carry on. So don't let this be our final song.
Now I want to hand over to our special guest. He's a British adventurer, an extreme athlete, a twice world first record holder, a Thai fighter. If I'd have known that, I'm not sure I'd have sat next to him. A master scuba diver, and described by FHM magazine as one of the world's most fearless outdoor men.
They'd say the world's a small place, but that's only if you're on the usual track. I remember in between year 1 and year 2, all the rest of the students pretty much looked like they had it all figured out. Some were going off to university, others were going to the military, and I felt I was the only one without a plan. And I wanted to head off traveling to further develop myself, to experience the world and see how I handle certain situations and scenarios. But I thought that's all easier to think than to actually do. You know, I was 17 at the time, I had a job as a waiter, and all of my money that I earned went towards the car that I was driving at the time. So the more that I thought about this, the more I wanted to make it happen.